Hey all, today i7RK portable out at the Jackson house again today. So if you watched my last video, I did a repair on my linked dipole. So today I'm going to test that repair out at the Jackson house state park here. I think what I'm going to do today, if you watched that video, you saw at the end of it that I was running into some problems with my SWR on the different bands. That the antenna apparently has stretched quite a bit since I first built it. So I'm gonna band hop quite a bit today. Really watching my radio and seeing as I scroll around the bands if my radio even tells. I'm gonna have the tuner off. I'm using the FT710 today. I'm gonna have the tuner off. I'm curious. I'm gonna see if I see the SWR meter moving around a lot on the radio today, because I've never noticed it before, but I'm going to be paying attention to it today. So let's get everything set up and we'll get on the air. Alright, so I'm on 50 megahertz right now on the 6 meter FT8. I can just hear somebody on there. Oh, there we go. N7 NWP, November 7, November Whiskey Papa. Trying to get him. Just barely hear him. Just. He's at negative 18 dB right now. He's calling CQ. So I've got full output, no SWR warnings, tuner is off. So even though my 50 megahertz or my 6 meter band dipole section was really set up, I'd have to go back through my video, but it was over 51 megahertz. But I do know that I was below 1.5 to 1 SWR on the low end of the band. So radio's handling it just fine. It being just a dipole, I have no idea what kind of antenna system this guy's running on 6 meter. He very well could be running stacked beams. So let's actually go take a look at him. Oh, yep, 5 element. That's what he's running for 6 meter. So I'm probably not going to hit him, and he's probably, yeah, he's definitely not going to hear me. So at least I was able to test 6 meter. I could hear on it slightly. No SWR weirdness, full output. So I'm happy there. Obviously not going to hit this guy. I'm going to bounce off of 6 meter, drop the antenna down, move to 10 meter, and it's a little bit early, but it's past 11. I should be able to start hitting stuff soon. So we'll take a look at that. Right off the bat, there's a POTA on here.
Parks on the air. This is Kilo 7, Golf Papa Romeo. Kilo 7, Golf Papa Romeo. Calling CQ for Parks on the air.
Alpha India 7, Romeo Kilo, park to park.
Is it Alpha India 7, Romeo Kilo?
Yeah, QSL, park to park. I've got you a nice clear 5.8 into my park, US 10409er.
Thanks, it is 10409er.
QSL.
Hey, thanks, so please copy my park as US 9757 QSL.
I got the 9757. Can I get a signal?
Yeah, we'll go 5.8 both ways, Jesse.
Outstanding. Well, thank you very much. Good luck on the rest of your activation. 7-3.
Thanks, you too. Hopefully the bands are going to be working for you up there. It's been a little rough this morning, but it picked up and took off.
Yeah, those sun farts I saw on the solar weather that they were kind of wreaking havoc a little bit. Figured I'd give it a try and see what I could get.
You know, it's funny, I love coming out here and doing parts of the air and stuff when the band conditions are quote-unquote bad, because they're always good somewhere.
Exactly. Well, awesome. Good luck at your park, man. I'm just sitting down. You're my first contact.
Hey, right on. Well, hopefully it'll be a lucky one, and you'll rack those 9 up before you know it.
Yep, QSL. Awesome. Thank you much. I appreciate it, 7-3.
You betcha. Thanks so much. Have a good day, 73.
All right, well,
QRZ.
that worked well. Let's see who else is on 10 floating around here. So 10 works. I didn't see anything crazy going on there. Again, full power out.
On the air, 60 parks on the air. This is November 6th, Julia.
I'm gonna get Florida. Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo, park to park.
India 7, Romeo.
Yeah, QSL. Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo. I got you about a 5-1 into Washington. US 10409er.
Okay, I want to confirm. Alpha Echo 7, Romeo Kilo.
Negative. Alpha India, Italy. Alpha Italy 7.
Okay, stand by 1 sec.
This is November 6th, Juliet Delta Hotel at US
Alpha
6291.
India 7, Romeo Kilo. And your park?
US 10409er. US 10409er.
Okay, we're going to have to back up. I got a glitch and the internet here. Stand by. We're going to start new. I want to start new. The hotspot just came up.
So he's down in Florida right now. It's not bad. Bad conditions on 10 meter no less.
India 7, Robert Kilo. Your park, please.
US 10409er. 10409er.
Roger, 10409er. I have Jesse out of Washington. You have my park, US 62901.
Yeah, Roger. Can I get a signal report?
Yeah, you're 5'9" down here, coast to coast.
Outstanding. Well, thank you much, man. It's just 100 watts in a wire.
I'm using one of those chameleon tactical Delta loops, and I've been pretty happy with it. I've got about aimed right at you.
Outstanding. Well, good luck with the rest of your activation. I hope it goes just as well, man.
Hey, I appreciate you being patient there. The hotspot had a glitch.
No worries at all. Thanks for the park to park, and good luck, 7-3.
73. You are set?
Well, cool. All right. 5-9 in Florida. I'm happy.
Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf, QRZ.
Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo, park to park.
Alpha India 7, Romeo Kilo, Jesse from Washington.
Yeah, QSL. I've got you a 5-6 into my park, US 10409.
Thanks for 10409. I've got you 5-7 into my 2 parks, US 4250. That's 4250 and 9773, 9773.
QSL, I got US 4250 and US 9773. Thanks for the double. I appreciate it. Good luck.
Thanks so much. 73, Kilo 9, Delta Echo Golf, QRZ. QSL, my friend, you do the same.
All right, Whiskey 9 Eco. Let's go for him. Park to park. Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo. Park to park.
Park station, go ahead.
Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo. Park to park.
Alpha India 7, Romeo Kilo. I've got you at a 5-4. Go ahead with the pass number.
Yeah, thank you. I have you a 5-1 into US 10409er.
Could you repeat the pass number one more time?
10409er. 10409.
10409. Thank you so much. You're on 2998.
Yeah, Roger. Thank you much. 7-3.
Alpha 3, Delta.
Alright.
Alpha 4,
Let's
Bravo
jump
Charlie.
to 15. Got a couple over there. And see what's hopping over there on 21 megahertz. 21,338. See if I can hear anybody. Oh, that was 21 minutes ago. Dang. Alright, let's see if there's anybody else here. A little bit of FT8. Just test things out. Full output. SDVR is good. Very good. There we go, I got one. Whiskey 9, November Golf. Mississippi. It's obviously working. I'm getting him at 1 over. Oh, there we go. He's giving me a -3. All right, yeah, I can deal with that. That's not bad for coast to coast, north to south. Meanwhile, you guys are over here watching paint dry. That's the glory of FT8, right? He didn't quite get me. I'm gonna reply. Whiskey 6 OHV. He's reaching out to me. He's down in California. I'm getting him at 18 over. Plus 15. All right, this will be my last FT8 on 15. Then I'm gonna jump 17 and just keep working my way down the bands. And so far, I haven't even seen the SWR wiggle. I haven't even seen so on the 710 as SWR starts to creep, you'll get a little red line, and that little red line will get wider and wider and wider, and then it'll do a high SWR warning. So far, I haven't even seen a first little blip of a red line, so I think I'm doing fine there. I'm out here, I'm playing around and experimenting anyways. I've almost got the part closed out. I've got 8 contacts. I'm actually going to do some FT8. Oh yes! Doing some FT8 on 6 meter. Doing some FT8 on 6 meter. I got a bite. November 7, Zulu Echo. November 7, Zulu Echo. Where's he at? Oh, he's in Washington. It's local. Vancouver, though, it's about 60 miles south of me. So it's still pretty good. I'm definitely not just doing line of sight to him. -6. Let's see if we can close this out. I'm not holding my breath. I am curious. Oh, he got me, -21. He got me though. Cool. All right, what's a 6 meter FT8 contact, about 60 miles away. It's not bad. Got a lot of ground between me and there. And it's actually off the end of my dipole too. I wasn't expecting that. Cool. All right. KB7CQ? I don't think I got him yet. Well, let's hop over here and actually start talking to some people. Alpha India 7, Romeo Kilo, park to park. I got you right at my noise floor. You're about a 4-1 into my park. US 10409, 10409er, QSL. All right, Roger, Roger. Yeah, I got you a 4-1 into my park.
QSL, you're also 52, 52, Kansas, Kilo Sierra. QSL, 7-3, good luck.
Did you get me? I'm going to throw that in the log, but I'm going to do a couple more just to make sure. I could have swore I heard him call my call sign on that park to park. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? AI7RK. Alright, let's call CQ on that. 21340. CQ parks on the air, CQ parks on the air. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo calling CQ parks on the air from US 10409, the Jackson House State Heritage Site here in Western Washington. CQ parks on the air. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo calling CQ parks on the air. Listening? CQ POTA, CQ parks on the air. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo calling CQ parks on the air from US 10409. 6. Ending in Papa, come back. I have X-ray Echo 1, Echo Victor Papa, QSL.
In Mexico.
Thank you for the 5-5 into Mexico. Thank you for the 5-5. I have you a 4-4 into my park. US 10409. Thank you so much for hunting, and thanks for the DX 7-3. CQ parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo calling CQ parks on the air. November 0, November Mike. Yeah, big signal. 5-8, super clear here in the park. US 10409.
QSL, Jesse, you are 5-9 plus into Kansas, Kilo Sierra.
Thank you much, and thank you for hunting today. I appreciate it. 7-3.
7-3, good luck.
This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo for Parks on the Air, QRZ.
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo.
November 4, Charlie Whiskey Bravo. Thank you. I got you a 5-5 into the park.
5-5 South Carolina. Thank you, 73.
Thank you for the 5-5 South Carolina, and thanks for hunting. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo for Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa.
Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa. Bruce, always a pleasure. You're a 5-7 into my park, US 10409.
Roger, Roger. I'll give you the same. 5-7 Indiana.
Thanks for the 5-7 Indiana, and thanks for hunting, man. Always. 7-3.
73.
Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo for Parks on the Air, QRZ.
November 7, Charlie Whiskey.
November 7, Charlie Whiskey. Yeah, thank you. 5-7. Great audio.
Well, thank you. 5-5 Arizona. Good luck. N7 CCW 7-3.
Yep, thank you so much. 7-3. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo for Parks on the Air, QRZ. All right, last calls before I QRT. Last calls. This is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo for Parks on the Air, US 10409. QRZ. All right, this is Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo. I'm going to QRT. This frequency is clear. Cool. All right, I got 15. My test day is complete. Checked all the bands except for 40. But 40 actually had the dip in the SWR was right where I wanted it to be on 40. So yeah, that was a success. I'm happy with it. My repair on my dipole works. Dipole works great. Got some coast to coast. Got into Mexico. Yep, super happy. Got into Italy. Super happy with all of it. Yeah, so build your antennas. Learn how to fix your antennas. See you at the next part.